Aloha and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Kahului, Maui. As we taxi for the next few moments, please continue to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we meet our final stop at the terminal and our captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign overhead. Please continue to refrain from smoking until your designated smoking area outside of our terminal. We will be using the forward left-hand door to disembark and there'll be a slight floor level change onto the jetway. Please use caution. Be sure to check the areas around your seats and in the overhead compartments for items you brought on board. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments as some of those items may have shifted. And if you do have luggage to claim, it will be available for you shortly at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim area ground level of our terminal. You are free to use your cellular phones provided that you can reach to be seated and belt in position. It's been our pleasure bringing you all to Maui this afternoon. I would like to say on behalf of Captain Mahi and your entire flight crew, until we have the pleasure to serve you once again, we bid you our warmest aloha, ahuiho, until we meet again. We thank you for choosing to fly with us on Hawaiian Airlines. Have a beautiful day, stay safe and dry out there. And once again, your flight attendants will have